You can try and swim against the tide, or you can accept where you're going to end up and try and figure out how to get there before anyone else. These tools are complicated. The level of work that's involved in producing a genuinely coordinated Revit model with good levels of data embedded, federated models, COBie data, all of that stuff, it's a high bar to get to. It makes the product better and it's useful. The trick is, if all of your competition is being asked to do the same thing, how do you deliver that quicker and better than anybody else? A great example, coordination of ceilings. There is a disconnect in a CAD world. So when I first started, the MEP drawings would show grills, diffusers, lighting, whatnot. If you overlaid them all onto one drawing, they'd be a bit all over the place. But the ID guys would come in, they would do their own drawings and they would set everything out and they'd tidy it all up. And those two things, they existed in parallel. They were sort of the same, but they weren't the same. Now, in Revit, we've got one source of truth, which is the model. So if an ID consultant wants everything on a center line and they want 200 mil separation or 150 mil separation, or they want everything to the left or want everything to the right, the only person realistically that can put those components into the model in that location is the MEP consultant. That creates an issue in that effectively the MEP team is now responsible for something that used to be the ID team's job.